Our standard organizational chart is as shown here. CEO at the very top, overseeing all functions of the business. COO, operating officer, overseeing all operations of the business. CFO, the chief financial officer, seeing all the finances, which branch into the accounting manager and the human resource manager, made up of accountants and customer relations representatives. On the side of the operations manager, representing all the operations processes involved with the business, and our production manager, which we feel that should be the expatriate for the means of our production lines. And if we manufacture within country, the production manager should be the one in country, seeing how the products are made and regulated towards the Polish market to know what type of new products we may need to integrate, or what different things we might need to think about in changing our product regulations. Also, our production line workers and our sales representatives that help drive the finished products and to sell and gain us revenue for our company.